Following a significant upswing in the fourth quarter of 2022, the cost of gold experienced an additional surge in early 2023. Despite significant gains in March, the gold-USD pair encountered a corrective phase during the third quarter before ascending to a fresh all-time high in early December, surpassing $2,100. In the run-up to 2024, gold is exposed to a dual threat. The gold-USD's trajectory in the coming year may be significantly impacted by global economic conditions, geopolitical shifts, the monetary policy decisions of the Federal Reserve, and all three. In the weekly gold-USD price, the upward bias could remain intact into 2024. The current weekly RSI is above the 50 line, while the bullish continuation is visible with the 20 EMA. The gold price reached the interim resistance at the 2060.00 level, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level from the near-term swing. Therefore, a stable market above this number could extend the buying pressure above the 2125.00 to 2150.00 level. Above these levels, the next target area could be the 2200.00 level, which is a strong psychological number. On the bearish side, the 1973.34 level would be the crucial area to look at, as a bearish D1 candle with a stable market below this number could extend the loss towards the 1900.00 area.